Okay, this recording is for 8.8b domain and range. So we're going to talk about how to do the domain and range and how to enter the answers for domain and range. Okay, so first thing I want to talk about are the dots. So we're going to be using the symbol of less than and greater than, and the less than symbol is this one, right? And the greater than symbol is like this. Both of these types of symbols we use when the dot is open, okay? When the dot is open. Now, this symbol, that's the less than equal to, or the greater than equal to. These we use when the dot is solid, okay? Now we're going to talk about the domain. The domain is going to be all the x values. And we have to remember that the x-axis is the horizontal one. This guy is my x. The range is all the y values. And that's this guy right here. So when I do the domain values, I'm going from left to right. And when I do the range values, I'm going from the bottom to the top. Okay, so let's go ahead and do, they're asking for the range. So I'm going to do the range first, which is from the bottom. So I got my graph, right? So it's that red line. I got an open dot at the top. I got a closed dot at the bottom. Now my range is going to be from the bottom. So I got to look at this point. This point right here is 2 comma -6. This is this point. And remember, I said the range values are the y values. So the range is the y value. So I'm looking at that -6. So that's the bottom. The top is going to be this point over here. This point is -9 comma 3. So this guy's going from -6 and I put less than. Now this one here is a closed dot. So I'm going to put my equal to, but my y goes in the middle. Now I'm going to the top. The top is an open dot, so I'll only put the less than. You don't put the line underneath. And that number, the y value, is 3. Okay, so what that means is I am going to type in here -6 less than equal to. So you got to hit two keys. I got to hit the less than first. So I do shift less than, and then I hit the equal sign, and it gives me that. Put y in the middle, less than 3, submit. Good work. Now I'm going to do the domain. Now the domain is going to be left to right. So I'm going to go ahead and mark off my left. Right? So my left number is -9. So whenever we're doing this, you could already do this part right here. And then we're going to determine if I have to add the line to the bottom of the symbol or not. So I look at this one, it's an open dot on the left one, so I don't put the line on the bottom. Now I'm going to the right one. Here's the right one. So the X value is 2. So I'll put my 2. This dot is solid. So I put the line on the bottom. Done. So that's what I'm going to type in for my answer. So I put in my -9 less than X less than equal to 2. Submit. Good work.